Welcome to the Troxus family. We want to make sure that you have the best experience possible. Our team has put together some instructions to help you with your first ride. We recommend that you follow them carefully step by step. If you have any questions along the way, don't hesitate to contact us for assistance. We're excited for you to start using our products. We hope that they meet your needs and expectations. Let's get started. You want to make sure that your bike functions are working correctly. Check the functions of each button on your display. You should have a power on and off button, a light control button, an instrument display function button, and the power control button. Hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn on the display. Check if the pedal assist buttons can go to all 5 levels. That mode 0 is the non-assistant mode, and there are no pedal assist in this mode. Check if the lights turn on and off. Check if the brake lights can be turned on. Check if the battery has power. The display board will show you this. You can adjust the seat height to the level of your comfort. There are 2 ways you can figure out the correct seat height. With the pedal at the 6 o'clock position, the angle between your thigh and calf should be between 145 and 155 degrees. The other method is to get on the bike and put your heels on the pedal. It's good to have a bike stand for this, or have a friend hold your bike for you. Pedal forward or backward. If the bike sways or is unstable, you need to adjust the seat height. You can adjust the seat angle by loosening and tightening these bolts. You can adjust the handlebar angle on the links in the Skyhopper. On the Skyhopper, loosen this bolt and adjust the handle angle. By loosening these 4 bolts, you can adjust the handlebar height and angle. Ensure that the handlebar cable routing is correct. In order to check this, entirely turn the handlebar to the left and right to ensure that it doesn't pull on any cables or wires. Use the pedal wrench to ensure that the pedals are secure. Check that all the cables on the bike are secure and have not come loose during transport. If the light is not connected, connect the light cords by lining up the pin. To check the brakes, without applying the throttle, squeeze the left brake lever to lock the front brake. Then try to push the bike forward using the handlebar. The front wheel should not slip. Squeeze the right brake lever to lock the rear brake, then try to push the bike forward using the handlebar. The rear wheel should not slip. In an open, spacious area, start the bike. Make sure to be wearing appropriate safety gear and clothing. Sit on the bike and hold down the right brake lever to lock the rear brake. Lightly press the assist button. Due to the brake being applied, the bike should not move. Press the assist button and release the brake. Test as the throttle now operates without engaging the brake. The brake may produce slight friction during the first few rides. This is normal. Squeaking or noise will disappear with use. Make sure to wear a properly fitted helmet. There should be a 2-finger distance between the bottom of the helmet and the brow. Adjust the chin straps so that you can have a Y on both sides of your face. Make sure there's about 1 inch of space between the helmet strap and the chin. Now it's time to hit the road and enjoy your ride. We hope that this guide has been helpful for you. Remember to follow safety guidelines and to wear protective gear. Follow us on YouTube and social media for the latest content and promotions. We often add tips and tricks to help you expand your playground and get the most out of your riding experience. Thanks for choosing Troxus. Happy riding.